true real. Join the masses to chant Bitbank is a real scam investment program. Reason to say this is I haven't seen it all. Okay, like I said that I'll give you guys update today concerning their BBT to USDT converts. Okay, that's what I said, and today is the final day I'm talking about Bitbank of a thing. Okay, I'm going to show you other places or other way to make money, real money, not all these sorts of scammers that convince us that they are real. And for you to know that it takes those people 6 whole year to plan this, okay? Because they know that once you see that a platform is not new, you will trust them. That's why it takes them 5 years or 6 years to plan this, so that they will achieve a maximum result at the end. And that's what they are playing with us. Bitbank have been paying since how many months or years now? Just the year 2022 is the year of final judgment, which is they serve us that breakfast. So I will take you to my Bitbank account to show you what the wonders I have done on my account. Okay, I will be taking you that place right now. But before I do that, please make sure you smash that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and like and comment on the comment below. Tell about Bitbank. I have been making video concerning Bitbank recently, so tell me what you think, okay, about Bitbank. And always remember that my name still remains the boy Raphael, the dude that left home to feed home. Here in my channel, what I teach you is what is working. Okay, if I try something and it's working, I will come here and show you. The ones that is not working, I will also come here and tell you that this particular website is not working. That's my work here. So let me take you to it also, that you can understand that this Bitbank is really scam project. Okay, and like this video. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's go. Let me show you what I mean that by that. So let's go. I will open my Bitbank account. Loading. Boom. This is Bitbank. This is their marketplace. Earning. Okay, we are in the earning. As you can see, nothing is here anymore. Let me go to trade. Nothing is here also. Let me go to terms. Nothing is here. Okay, as you can see, everything here is 0000. Let me also go to my wallet. If you notice, I have like 200 and something USDT on my wallet, but let me go and show you right now. I click on wallet. Okay, nothing is here. Okay, let me just check again by going to settings, and then let me log out to check whether I can log in again. Log out is not even working. For you to know that these people have scammed us. They have been waiting for this year. They are scamming projects. Okay, as you can see, I can't log out. 200 and something USDT have gone. Do you know the pain of losing 200 and something? And I know that a lot of people have up to 1000 USDT. Okay, I know the pain. So you can see, this is a scamming website. Okay, I just want to make sure that nobody will this is really terrible. Okay, a lot of people lose their money just to invest on this platform, thinking that this platform is legit, because they made everybody to believe that this website is legit by keeping it since how many years now. Okay, they make everybody to think that this website is legit, but the reverse is the case. So that's that. If you stay trying to invest in Bitbank, okay, I don't even know whether it's existing, because they have withdrawn everything. You can check your own. Okay, if you check your own, you can tell me in the comment. Let me know whether your own is among. Okay, Just go and check your own right now and tell me on the comment below. Please make sure you smash that subscription button for another interesting video that will help you generate a lot of money online. Okay, peace out.